In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subscription tracker in Notion, which is a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. If you're new to Notion or just want an easy way to keep track of all your subscriptions in one place, you're in the right spot. We'll take you through the steps to build a comprehensive tracker from scratch, ensuring you never lose sight of those auto-renewals or upcoming payments. To begin, we're going to set up a new database called Subscriptions. Creating a dedicated space for managing your subscriptions is key to staying organized. To do this, open Notion and create a new page. Choose a title that works for you. Subscriptions is clear and straightforward. You'll want to select the database type that best fits your needs. In this case, a table will serve us well. Tables are versatile and provide a clear overview of all the information we're about to log. With our subscriptions database ready to go, we'll add some important properties to track the details of each service. Start by adding columns for the service name, the cost, and the renewal date. These columns will help you easily identify what service a payment is for, how much it is, and when it is due. The service column is typically a text field where you can type in the name of the subscription, whether it's Netflix, Spotify, or any other service you use. Over in the cost column, input the amount you pay regularly. It's helpful to format this as currency to keep things neat. Finally, for the renewal date, select renewal date. Select the date property, allowing you to enter and edit renewal dates quickly. Next, let's take advantage of Notion's calendar view. This is a fantastic tool for visualizing when payments are due and avoiding surprises. Within your subscriptions page, click on Add a View, choose Calendar, and you'll see all your renewal dates plotted out in calendar form. This not only makes it easier to see the entire month or year at a glance, but also serves as a visual reminder of what's coming up, helping you plan your finances accordingly. Lastly, to enhance your tracker, it's wise to include a way to differentiate between active and canceled services. Add another column to your table to represent this. A simple checkbox property can do the trick. Tick the box for active subscriptions and leave it unchecked for those you've canceled. This feature allows you to filter your view to show only active subscriptions if needed, cleaning up the clutter and focusing only on what's relevant. And there you have it, a straightforward, efficient subscription tracker tailored to your needs. By following these steps, you'll gain better control over your subscriptions, ensuring you stay organized and proactive with your budgeting. So dive into Notion, set up your tracker, and rest easy knowing you're on top of all your subscriptions.